everyone, I am teacher CJ, and today I will be your science teacher who will teach you about energy transformation. In your previous lesson, you learned that energy exists in different forms. In this video lesson, we will discuss how this energy is transformed into another type of energy. And this process is what we call as energy transformation.
I will discuss some types of energy transformation. Specifically, we will demonstrate how heat can be transformed into light energy and demonstrate how light energy can be transformed into heat. Before we start, please answer this 5-item quiz. Choose the letter of the best answer and write your answer on a piece of paper. You can pause the video if you need more time in reading. 1. Which situation shows an energy transformation from light to heat? A. Creating noise. B. Burning of leaves. C. Rubbing of palms. D. Listening to music. 2. What form of energy is produced by the light from a candle? A. Heat energy. B. Light energy. C. Sound energy. D. Electrical energy. 3. What energy transformation took place upon setting a bonfire or the burning of a wood? A. Heat to light. B. Electricity to light. C. Light to electricity. D. Electricity to heat. 4. Which of the following shows an energy transformation from light to heat? A. Sunlight. B. Lighted lamp. C. Listening to the radio. D. Both A and B. 5. What two forms of energy are shown in this burning candle? A. Heat and light. B. Sound and heat. C. Light and sound. D. Light and electrical. Good job! You can pass your answers to your teacher for correction. To start, let us have these simple terms and their corresponding definition. Energy is the capacity to do work. It exists in different forms. Energy transformation is the process of changing energy from one type of energy to another. Heat is an energy that is transferred from one object to another as a result of a difference in temperature. Light is a form of energy which our sense of sight can detect. It is made of electromagnetic radiation and travels in a straight path. In this video lesson, we will discuss two types of energy transformation. Let us start with the first type of energy transformation, heat to light, by performing this activity. I will perform an activity showing how heat is transformed to light using a box of matchstick. Here are the procedures. 1. Strike the head of the matchstick on the side of the matchbox. 2. Observe what happens and write your observations. You can do the activity with me. Just make sure the materials are already ready and you ask help from an adult. I have here a box of matchstick. I will get one matchstick from the box and I will strike the head of the matchstick onto the side of the box. Observe what happens. Do not forget to put out the fire after you're done with the activity. Answer these guide questions after performing the activity. Write your answers on your activity notebook. 1. What made the matchstick light up? 2. What form of energy did the matchstick need to light up? 3. What form of energy did the burning matchstick produce? 4. What energy transformation took place in the burning of matchstick? Congratulations! What you saw showed heat energy from striking the matchstick to the box transformed to light in the form of flame. Now, let us go to the second type of energy transformation, light to heat. I will perform an activity showing how light energy is transformed into heat. The materials needed are candles, matchstick or lighter. Here are the procedures. 1. Light the candle with a matchstick or lighter. 2. Observe the glowing portion of the tip of the wick. 3. Place your hand near the lighted candle for about 10 seconds. Be careful not to place your hand too close to the flame. Write your observations. You can do the activity with me. Just make sure the materials are already ready and you ask help from an adult. Ready your materials. We need a candle and a box of matchstick. I will be using here a matchstick, but a lighter will do. First, light the candle using the matchstick. Remember, ask assistance from an adult when dealing with flame. Then, carefully put your hand on top of the candle but not too close. Observe what happens. Put out the flame after you're done with the activity. Answer these guide questions after performing the activity. Write your answers on your activity notebook. 1. What form of energy did the candle produce? 2. What did you observe on the tip of the candle's wick? 3. What did the light produce? 4. What did you feel when you placed your hand near the lighted candle? 5. What energy transformation took place when you felt on your hand the warmth of the flame? Congratulations! What you performed is an activity showing how light energy is transformed to heat. Energy can be transformed to heat, then to light energy. It can also be transformed from light to heat. Activities like walking in the park under the heat of the sun shows the sun giving us light and heat. When we use a matchstick, smoke comes out from the matchstick when it produces flame or heat, then gives off light on its glowing end. When we use a light bulb or a lamp during the night, it gives us light. Then, we become aware that the bulb and the lamp becomes hot after using for a while. These are examples of energy being transformed. Let us see if you grasp the concept about energy transformation from heat to light and light to heat. Determine the energy transformation that happens in each situation. The light from a candle is transformed into. What energy transformation takes place when you put a magnifying glass under the sun and a piece of paper burns underneath it? Light is transformed into. Now, I want you to reflect on what you have learned through this video lesson by completing these sentence prompts. Write your answer on your notebook. I have learned that. I wish to ask my teacher about. To assess what you have learned, answer this 10-item quiz. Choose the letter of the correct answer and write your answers on your activity notebook. You can pause the video if you need more time. Let us start. 1. What energy transformation took place upon setting a bonfire or the burning of the wood? A. Heat to light. B. Electricity to light. C. Light to electricity. D. Electricity to heat. 2. Which of the following shows an energy transformation from light to heat? A. Sunlight. B. Lighted lamp. C. Listening to the radio. D. Both A and C. 3. What two forms of energy are shown in this burning candle? A. Heat and light. B. Sound and heat. C. Light and sound. D. Light and electrical. 4. Which situation shows an energy transformation from heat to light? A. Watching TV. B. Reading books. C. Using solar panel. D. lighted matchstick. 5. The sun is shining and warming a metal bench. What energy transformation took place? A. Heat to light. B. Light to heat. C. Electricity to sound. D. Sound to electricity. 6. What form of energy is produced by the light from a candle? A. Heat energy. B. Light energy. C. Sound energy. D. Electrical energy. 7. What energy transformation happens when a magnifying glass under a sun burns a piece of paper? A. Heat to light. B. Light to heat. C. Electricity to light. D. Electricity to heat. 8. Which of the following situations does not show energy transformation from light to heat? A. Sunbathing. B. Setting up a bonfire. C. Using a microphone. D. Lighting a matchstick. 9. Which situation shows an energy transformation from light to heat? A. Creating noise. B. Burning of leaves. C. Rubbing of palms. D. Listening to music. 10. What energy transformation happens when you feel the warmth of the sun when you are sunbathing? A. Heat to light. B. Light to heat. C. Electricity to light. D. Electricity to heat. Please don't forget to contact your teacher on how to pass your answers for checking. Congratulations on finishing the lesson! Now, you know how energy is transformed from heat to light and light to heat. Thank you for listening. Till next time, bye!